Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Evelyn. If you are new here, welcome. Is whereby I encourage people, to make money, to sell the books and to write the books and sell them on Amazon KDP. You just write once and you sell all the time. Think of Amazon KDP like building digital vending machine for your book. Step one, to write once, start the work. This is where you do the active upfront work. You create a product. This could be a novel or a short story, a nonfiction guide, or something like how to train puppy, a beginner's guide to yoga, a journal planner, or coloring book. These are all called content books. You write and edit it to content, you design a professional looking cover or hire someone to do it. Then you format the inside of your book so it looks attractive, stunning, and looking good. Then you upload everything to Amazon KDP platform. And these steps requires time, effort, and maybe a little money, but you only have to do it once for that specific full book. So what Amazon KDP is a free platform by Amazon that allows you to or allows anyone to publish their own book, both ebooks and paperback. Then there is a hardcover too to sell them directly to readers on Amazon website. Think of it as a massive global vending machine. You are the producer, creator, or supplier. Amazon is the vending machine owner that handles the complex parts, the storefront like the website, the payment processing, and the large part of the marketing through its massive customer traffic. You simply stock the machine with your product like your book, and every time your customer makes a purchase, the machine gives you a royalty. How it works, you just write once, like I said, you write once, sell all the time, model in detail, and so on. So part two is passive income. The sell all the time part. Once your book is live, your active role is essentially over. The system runs automatically. The book is always on. Your book is listed for sales on Amazon website like Amazon.com, Amazon.uk.de, etc. It is available to customers 24/7 or 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. This means 24/7. Your book will be live on Amazon platform. The customer finds you. A customer anywhere in the world searches for a topic related to your book. Amazon's algorithm shows them your book in the search results. The sale happens automatically. The customer buys a book, they pay Amazon. The royalty is calculated. Amazon instantly calculates your royalty, your cut of the sale based on the price you set and the royalty structure. You get paid. Amazon holds the royalties and sends you a payment via the direct deposit, or typically close to 60 to 90 days after the end of the month in which the sales occurred. Then there is a magic part. And this step 2 to 5 happens without any further effort from you. Your book is digital asset that works for you while you sleep, have another job, go on vacation, or work on your other book. Then the book is still selling. The importance and why is game changer. Amazon KDP is important for several key reasons, both for individual and the broad publishing world, or the broader publishing world. Radical accessibility and democratization. Before KDP, getting a book published was incredibly difficult. You needed a literal agent, a public deal, and gave up more of your creative control and royalties. After KDP, anyone with the idea and computer can become a publisher author. It has broken down the gatekeepers of the traditional publishing industry, giving a voice to millions of writers who would have never been heard otherwise. The power of passive income. This is the most significant financial benefit. You are no longer trading hours for dollars. You are creating an asset that generates revenue over time. This income can be a life-changing side hustle, a way to find passion, or even grow into full-time business. One successful book can provide a small steady income stream for years and massive global reach. With one upload, your book become available to millions of potential customers across the globe. Amazon's international sites, you have a bookstore in over a dozen countries waiting for you from day one on. Low financial risk and high control. It's a free start. It costs only $0 to publish a book on Amazon KDP. This is why I want you to start. You only care cost if you choose to hire an editor or a designer. Print on demand. For paperback, Amazon only prints a copy when a customer orders it. This means you will have the upfront printing cost, no inventory to store in your garage, or risk of being stuck with unsold books. This eliminates the biggest financial barrier for or to publishing. You are the boss, have the full control over your content, your cover design, your pricing, and your rights. You can update your book anytime you want. The power of niche publishing. You know what? Traditional publishers often ignore topics that doesn't help mass market appeal. With KDP, you can profitably publish a book in a very specific niche, like a vintage motorcycle repair for beginners, a vegan cookbook for people with IBS. There is an audience for everything, and KDP allows you to find and serve the audience directly. If you find this video so helpful, please subscribe. If you are new, I'm Evelyn. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so you know whenever I upload new videos, you don't miss any. So we make money. Please start by writing the books and sell them on Amazon KDP. If you need a guidance, I'm the coach. I can coach you from step one until you make sales. Welcome. Let's meet again. Let's make money on Amazon KDP. Welcome.